Welcome, automotive enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Mercedes-Benz engineering to explore the top 5 most reliable engines that have left an indelible mark on the automotive world. From petrol to diesel, V6 to V8, Mercedes has consistently pushed the boundaries of performance and reliability. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. M276 Best Mercedes Petrol Engine. Our journey begins with the crown jewel of Mercedes petrol engines, the M276. Launched in 2010, the 3.0L or 3.5L V6 engines replaced the earlier M272, setting new standards for performance, efficiency, and refinement. The M276's direct injection system, twin turbocharging, and a lightweight aluminum engine block contribute to its stellar reputation. Powering models from the S-Class to the SLK, the M276, especially the 3.0 LV6BI turbo variant, the M276 DLA30, delivers a thrilling 362 horsepower. Number 2. OM606 Best Mercedes Diesel Engine. Transitioning to diesel, we encounter the legendary OM606, a testament to longevity and reliability. Introduced in the mid-1990s, this 3.0L inline-6 diesel engine has outlasted its fair share of vehicles. The OM606's cast-iron block and Bosch mechanical fuel injection system contribute to its robust construction and easier maintenance, making it a favorite among DIY mechanics. While not breaking speed records, the OM606 delivers decent power, and its reputation for running smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles makes it a diesel powerhouse. Number 3. M156 Best Mercedes V8 Engine. If you crave raw power and spine-tingling acoustics, the M156 is the epitome of Mercedes V8 excellence. Introduced in 2006, this naturally aspirated 6.2 LV8 is the first entirely developed by Mercedes-AMG. Defying the industry shift towards smaller, turbocharged engines, the M156 is a tribute to the raw power of a big, naturally aspirated V8. Delivering a breathtaking 510 horsepower in the C63 AMG Black Series, the M156 is not just about power. It's about the unmistakable roar that sends shivers down any car enthusiast's spine. The M156's influence extends to the M159 engine, further enhancing its already impressive performance. Number 4. M113 Most Reliable Mercedes Engine. Moving on to the MONI 113, we encounter one of Mercedes' best and most reliable engines ever produced. Since its introduction in 1998, the naturally aspirated V8 engine has been a stalwart in various Mercedes models, including the E430, S500, and CLS55 AMG. Available in multiple displacements, the 5.0 version, showcased in models like the E500 and S500, is particularly esteemed. The M113's durability is a result of meticulous engineering, boasting a twin-spark design and a 3-valve per-cylinder configuration. This unique setup enhances the engine's breathing efficiency and fuel economy. Constructed with a cast aluminum engine block and cylinder heads, the M113 proves its mettle by easily surpassing hundreds of thousands of miles with regular maintenance. Number 5. M112 Best Mercedes V6 Engine. Finally, we explore the MONI 112, the best of Mercedes V6 engines. Serving as the foundation for the M113 engines, the M112 V6 engines, with displacements ranging from 2.6L to 3.7L, have etched their mark in Mercedes-Benz history. Celebrated for their innovative 3-valve per-cylinder design and twin-spark ignition, the M112 engines epitomize performance and efficiency. Among its impressive variants is the M112A37, a 3.7L powerhouse offering a compelling blend of robust performance and fuel efficiency. Power outputs spanning from 168 to 255 horsepower showcase the M112's versatility. Found in models like the C-Class, E-Class, SLK, and CLK, the M112 proves to be a dependable workhorse, seamlessly delivering power whether propelling a luxury sedan or a sporty roadster. And there you have it. From the petrol prowess of the M276 to the versatile performance of the M112, each engine tells a unique story of innovation, durability, and automotive excellence. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more automotive adventures.
Have you ever wondered which Audi models stand out for their reliability and quality? Today, we delve into the world of Audi cars to uncover the top 10 most reliable models that offer both performance and peace of mind. From sleek sedans to powerful SUVs, Audi has consistently delivered excellence in engineering. So, let's dive in and explore these remarkable vehicles that have earned their place as the most dependable choices in the Audi lineup. Number 1. 2016 Audi A3 8V. Kicking off our list is the 2016 Audi A3 8V, which received an impressive reliability score of 83/100 from J.D. Power. This third-generation hatchback introduced the Audi A3 e-tron PHEV, expanding its appeal. Despite fierce competition, the 2016 A3 holds its ground with a used market price around $19,990, making it a cost-effective choice for luxury enthusiasts. Number 2. 2016 Audi A6 4G. The 2016 Audi A6 4G underwent a significant facelift to stay competitive in its class. With enhancements in design, technology, and performance, the A6 maintained its popularity. It earned a reliability score of 83/100, offering a compelling option for those seeking refinement and sophistication in their sedan. Number 3. 2023 Audi A3 8Y. As Audi's fourth-generation A3, the 2023 model stands out with its striking design and improved reliability. With a J.D. Power score of 84/100, it surpasses its predecessors, setting new standards for longevity and performance. Owners can enjoy the confidence of owning a vehicle that combines style, efficiency, and durability. Number 4. 2018 Audi A4 B9. The 2018 Audi A4 B9 shines as a top performer in the compact premium car segment. Boasting a reliability score of 85/100, it exemplifies Audi's commitment to excellence. From its range of turbocharged engines to its refined interior, the A4 delivers a driving experience that exceeds expectations. Number 5. 2014 Audi A7. With its distinctive lift-back design and advanced features, the 2014 Audi A7 commands attention on the road. Its reliability score of 85/100 speaks to its durability and performance, making it a sought-after choice among luxury sedan enthusiasts. With cutting-edge technology and timeless style, the A7 remains a standout in its class. Number 6. 2015 Audi Q3. The 2015 Audi Q3 captured hearts with its compact SUV design and impressive safety ratings. Boasting a reliability score of 85/100, it outshines competitors in its class, offering peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. With its combination of versatility and dependability, the Q3 continues to be a popular choice for urban adventurers. Number 7. 2016 Audi A7. Following a facelift in 2015, the 2016 Audi A7 emerged with enhanced features and improved reliability. With a strong J.D. Power score of 85/100, it maintains its reputation as a luxury sedan that delivers both style and substance. From its advanced infotainment system to its powerful engines, the A7 remains a standout choice for discerning drivers. Number 8. 2015 Audi A5. As the end of its first generation, the 2015 Audi A5 impresses with its reliability score of 87/100. Offering a blend of performance and elegance, it continues to captivate enthusiasts looking for a stylish coupe. With its accessible price point and refined engineering, the A5 remains a timeless icon in the Audi lineup. Number 9. 2013 Audi A4 B8. The 2013 Audi A4 B8 represents the pinnacle of quality and reliability in its model line. With an outstanding score of 87/100, It embodies Audi's dedication to craftsmanship and innovation. Whether cruising city streets or tackling winding roads, the A4 delivers a driving experience that exceeds expectations. Number 10. 2010 Audi A6 4F. Rounding out our list is the 2010 Audi A6 4F, hailed as the most reliable used Audi available. With an exceptional score of 89/100, it sets the standard for longevity and performance. Despite its age, the A6 remains a formidable contender in the luxury sedan market, offering unparalleled value and prestige. Audi continues to raise the bar for reliability and quality with its impressive lineup of vehicles. From sedans to SUVs, each model offers a unique blend of performance, comfort, and innovation. Whether you're seeking a sleek commuter car or a spacious family vehicle, Audi has something for everyone. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.